Hi everyone, I'm really excited. I just got this box in the mail today and it's from Blend Fabrics. It's really heavy, so I'm pretty sure that it's fabric, and I'm gonna open it and show you what's inside. Now, I have looked on their website, blendfabrics.com, and they have some really pretty Christmas collections that are shipping to stores now. So even though I knew they were sending me a box, I did not know what was inside it, and I'm really hoping that it is a Christmas collection. All right, these are not my fabric scissors. I would never use my fabric scissors to open a box. So exciting! 2 collections! Yay! And a cute note from Blend Fabrics. Thank you for including us in your unbundling videos. You're welcome. This is my first fabric unboxing unbundling video, by the way. So thank you, Blend Fabrics, for sending me 2 cute collections. And I see one is a Christmas collection right here. And then the other one is not Christmas. Which one should I open first? I think let's look at the not Christmas collection first, and then we'll look at the Christmas collection. I love Christmas. I love fabric. Okay, let's see here. Can you tell I'm happy? So happy. Okay, so this collection, there's a little note. It says this is called Panda Forest by Katie Tanis. Panda Forest. Oh, look, the first one has cute little pandas on it. Oh, so pretty. And I love these colors, this blue and violet and pink and green. Oh my gosh, so vibrant, so pretty. I really love the new vibrant fabrics that are coming out. And this one, I believe, is already shipped to stores or is shipping to quilt shops now, soon. Okay, the second print is a really cute geometric print, also in blue and purple with little green triangles. And oh my gosh, little raccoon. Look at this. Oh, so adorable. Again, the vibrant pink and purple and blue. So pretty. Makes such a pretty quilt. Okay, this print is mountains. Black, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is a little different, although I haven't got any fabrics from Blend in a while, but these are just more saturated than some of the stuff I've seen before. Just a little different, but so pretty. Here's the panda print in another colorway, and I'm starting to wonder if I was wrong. Maybe those little raccoons were actually lemurs. I'm sorry, Katie. What do you think? Is there another one? Here we go. Okay. What do you think? Are these raccoons or lemurs? Look closely. Tell me in the comments what you think they are. And we've got another pretty geometric with triangles. Such a great blender. I really love the black and cream one as a blender. I can see this for so many things, even just like a wallet or a tote bag, or this is just a great print. And then the mountain in a gray and green and black colorway. And look at that, it looks like winter almost. You know, although this one looks like winter too. Maybe it's because the mountaintops have snow on top of them, but they both look like winter. Anyway, beautiful. Oh, thank you. And I can see here that these are 1/2 yard cuts of fabric. So I think I might be able to do a giveaway here. I will cut them up and have back quarters for me and back quarters for you. So now let's open the other bundle. And this one, I can tell already, is one of their Christmas bundles. And it says this includes Kringle's Sweet Shop by Maud Asbury. Oh my goodness, there's gold sparkles. I could not tell that when I was looking at this collection online. Oh my goodness, so cute. So cute. Can you see the gold sparkles in this fabric? I mean, of course, it's adorable pink and cream colored gingerbread houses with little gumdrops, but there are gold sparkles. I am like so crazy about pink for Christmas colors. In case you haven't noticed, a lot of my Christmas projects have like pink and green, pink and turquoise. This is like a pink and green collection. The blender is this beautiful glitter gold polka dot. Really, like, oh. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this except just love it. Glitter gold polka dot. Then we have a couple of cupcake prints. Oh my gosh, who would have thought to put a Christmas tree cupcake? I mean, seriously, I could never decorate a cupcake that cute because decorating cupcakes is just not my thing, but I could sure sew up a cute cupcake zipper pouch. And then the cupcake print is in this lighter colorway. Hot cocoa! Really? Look at this, so cute. And the mugs have Santa, snowman, Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, hot cocoa. What could we do with this? So cute. Oh, I love Christmas. And here is the hot cocoa fabric in a gray and pink colorway. Pretty. Very pretty. And here are some blenders. I have seen this blender print before from Blend Fabrics, but this is just a different color of it. It's just so pretty and modern. It's got this little like leaf design on it. Very pretty. And it works well with like other fabrics from Blend. It's just a really pretty two-tone blender. In case you can tell, it's got like pink and a lighter pink as a background. Very pretty and versatile. And here it is in this green, and the background on this green is almost a turquoise, so it's a very cool green. Very pretty. Ooh, candy canes, green candy canes, and then here we have some pink candy canes. Wouldn't this be adorable as a binding? I mean, you'd lose the candy cane effect, but you'd have all these adorable stripes happening on your binding in this like random way. Oh, so cute. The last two have gold sparkles on them. Cookies, they look like cookies, snowflake cookies. Well, if you just looked at it, you might think that it's snowflakes. Then if you look closer, you can tell that it is gingerbread cookies probably, or just sugar cookies that are decorated with white frosting, and then they have gold accents. So if you can see the gold sparkle on that fabric, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Like, oh, I could almost like do a whole quilt with this, or just put it on the back of a quilt maybe, just because I love that print. Here it is in a pink and white colorway. So beautiful, beautiful, and in some of my favorite toned down pink and green Christmas colors. If you just look at them all together, it's just so pretty. It's just such a pretty Christmas. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. I could sew for Christmas all year long. Anyway, thanks so much for watching my first fabric unboxing video, and thank you to Blend Fabrics for sending me this beautiful fabric surprise with Panda Forest and Kringle Sweet Shop. I love it. I think what I'll do, since you sent me so much, I will cut up all of the fabrics into fat quarters so I can do some giveaways. And I want to give away the Christmas collection first. So we'll do this really soon. I'll cut up these Christmas fabrics into fat quarters, so that means I'll get a fat quarter bundle and someone out there will get a fat quarter bundle. Please like this video and follow my SewCanShe YouTube channel to see more fabric bundling videos and project tutorials and just lots of fun sewing stuff. Have a great weekend.